So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the ETFs I have in my watch list. So right here, we're starting with VXUS, which is the Vanguard Total International Stock Index Fund. It costs 82 and 38 cents a share. And on last December the 23rd of 2025, they gave out about $1.36 in dividends. So now we'll go to the next one. So the next one I have is SPMO, which is the ticker. The full name is Investor S&P 500 Momentum ETF. It's about $119.30 per share. And on December the 26th, 2025, they got about 39 cents in dividend. And now I'm going to go to the next one. So now I'm on iShare Silver Trust. Ticker ticker name is SLV. It's about $71.01 a share. And let me see. Yeah, for this one, I guess, let me check. I guess I have to go to the next one. So after that, I have QQQ. The full name is NEO NASDAQ 100 High Income ETF. They cost about $52.06 a share. Yeah, and they're giving out a future dividend of 61 cents. And that will happen tomorrow. I'll try and get this one soon, hopefully. So I'm going to go to the other one, to the next one. And this one is the Vanguard Dividend Appreciation Index Fund. It's for $227.12 a share. And it gives out about December 24th, 2025, it gave out about 88 cents a dividend. Okay, and now I'm going to go down to the next one. So this one is the Vanguard Real Estate Index Fund. Ticker symbol VNQ. It's about $94.19 a share. And last December 24th, 2025, it gave out about 80 cents in dividend. Now we're going to the next one, which is the Vanguard Total Stock Market Index Fund, ticker name VTI. It's $338.19 a share. And on December the 24th, 2025, they gave out about 95 cents in dividend. Now, the next one I have is this one right here, the Vanguard High Dividend Yield Index Fund, ticker name VYM. It's $155.21 a share. And last December the 23rd of 2025, they gave out about 95 cents in dividend. Okay, now we're on to the next one. This one is BlackRock Science and Technology Trust, ticker name BST. It's for $39.68 a share. And okay, it's down here. The next dividend is 25 cents on March the 13th, 2026, and the pay date will be the March 31st of 2026. Sorry, I made a pause right there. I'm listening to a song right now as I do this. Okay, the next one is this one. ProShares S&P 500 Dividend Aristocrat ETF. This one is about $113.19 a share, and it gave out about 66 cents in dividends on December the 31st, 2025. Now I'm going to move to the next one, to Fidelity Worldwide Fund FWWFX. This one is about $37.70 a share. Okay, I don't see anything about it. Has good growth, but I don't see anything about dividends. Yeah, I don't see nothing about dividends. But this one has like a whole bunch of interesting companies like Nvidia, Google, Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, Eli Lilly and Co., Taiwan Semiconductor, the Bank of New York Mellon Corporation, Meta, and another company called TE Connectivity PLC registered shares. Yeah, I'm gonna go to the move to the next one. That's one of the least ones in my watch list. This phone right here. Now we have the JP Morgan, one of the JP Morgan ones. This one is JP Morgan Nasdaq Equity Premium Income ETF. Ticker name JEPQ. This one is $57.69 a share, and the last dividend was on February the 4th, 2026, which is recent, and it was about 47 cents. The last dividend. Let's go down to this one right here. So the next one is JP Morgan Equity. Sorry, I can't pronounce this. Well, whatever. Equity Premium Income ETF. This one is $59.25 a share, and the last dividend was on February the 4th, 2026. Just like the last one, but this one is about 34 cents in dividend. Now I'm going to move down to the Nasdaq one. This one was one I was really wanting to look for to invest in the Nasdaq. This one is Nasdaq Inc. Ticker name NANDAQ. This one is $81.41 a share. And the last dividend, the last dividend was 27 cents on December the 19th, 2025. And the next one is on March the 30th, 2026, and it's 27 cents in dividend. So this one, the dividend price has been relatively the same over each month for NASDAQ. So I'm going to go move to the next one. This is one of the gold ones. I had to get this one because I want to get a gold ETF. Because I don't think I have enough to get real gold bars. So this one is the SPDR Gold Shares. This one is $459.61 a share. And the last, let's see, this one doesn't have a dividend either, just like the silver one. But let me read about the growth. It has been rising consistently since about March the 1st, 2021. It was at $159.14 shares. Let me look at the max. That was the 5-year. Okay, so this is the max. Okay. It went down a little bit around September, November, around 2013, 2014-ish. It was really low on October the 1st, 2008 at $71.34. I guess because of the housing crash that month, that year. That year was the 2008 financial crisis. Yeah. So I'm going to go to the next one now. So the next one is Vicky Properties. This one is a real estate ETF. So this one right here is about $29.88 a share. The last dividend was 44 cents in October. No, wrong. Sorry, I was looking the wrong one. The last dividend was about 45 cents on January the 8th, 2026. And throughout the months of last year, they gave out about 42 to about 44 cents in dividends, consistently right near each other, like around April the 3rd, July the 10th, October the 9th. Yeah, this one. So I'm gonna go to the next one now. Now there's one of the bank ones. This is called ICCI Bank, IC, ICICI Bank ADR REP2 ORD. This is IBN. This is one of the foreign banks. This one has about. This one gives about 25 cents a dividend. The last date was September the 8th, 2025. Yeah, I don't see no earnings on this one. Earnings or estimate on this company. But it shows that a lot of people buy it. The CFRA right here, analysts, people buy it. It's a buy. So I'm gonna go to the next one after this. I have another one, bank one, but I think this is HDFC Bank ADR. This one's about $37.71 a share. Yeah. Let's see, this one's a hold. The CFRA recommends for this one is a hold. It was because of India. It became like one of the two players in the home loan market because it merged with another company, merger with HDFC Limited. It's an insurance fund, insurance and fund management business. Oh, I see. So this one gives about, last dividend was on August the 20th, 2025. And it was about 38 cents in dividend. This one has a 1.13% dividend yield. Yeah, okay. Which is kind of low. It's okay. You don't need it to be really high. There's other holding banks here too. There's one, a Japanese one, Mizuho Financial Group. This will be a bank in Japan. No, I'm just looking at something down here. Oh, there's a Royal Bank of Canada. Yeah. Yeah, this company, the one that got HDFC, is a Indian bank. So I'm gonna go down. Now we're in Lloyd's Banking. This one's about $5.65 a share. Really low. I'm wondering why did I pick this one. Maybe because of low price. I don't think this one. Well, it gives about 13. Whoa, dividend's going down. Gives about 13 cents a dividend. Lloyd is a bank. It's a retail and commercial bank in the UK. And the IPO date was on April the 17th of 2000. So now I'm gonna move to the next one. Its ticker name is LYG. Now we're moving to another US ETF. This one is the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF, SCHD. A lot of people talk about this one. This one's about $31.56 a share. And the last dividend was on December the 15th, 2025, and it was at 28 cents a share. This one has like some really interesting companies like Chevron, Texas Instrument, Lockheed Martin, ConocoPhillips, Chevron, Verizon. It has Altria, it has Coca-Cola, and it has Home Depot. There's other, there's like a bunch of interesting companies part of them, part of this ETF. So the next one would be VOO, Vanguard 500 Index Fund. So this one is $629.57 a share, and the ticker name is VOO. And the last dividend was $1.77 on December 24th, 2025. Now next one I have is Rhythm Capital Corp, which is ticker name RITM. Their share price is $10.58. And last dividend was on January 30th, 2026, and it was 25 cents in dividend. So the next company I'm gonna go down to is BAC, Bank of America Corp. Is at $52.77. The last dividend date was 28 cents on December the 26th, 2025. And the next one is on March the 27th, 2026, and it's going to be 28 cents. So from September to about March, September the 26th, December the 26th, and on March the 27th, it should be, and it was on the other dates, around 28 cents a dividend, and on June the 27th, 2025, it was around 26 cents a dividend on that specific date. Okay, so the next one is SPY. So this one is State Street SPDR SPNF S&P 500 Trust ETF. I was looking for this one. This one is $684.53 a share. And the last dividend date was on the January 30th on 2026, and the price was about $1.99 a share. It looks like this one gives out about almost $2 a share, SPY, and it's about $600. No, $2 in dividend a share. Yeah, almost $2 in dividend a share. This one is one to save money for and get it. And the last one here is JCPI. This one is JP Morgan Inflation Managed Bond ETF. Looks like they'll be on the rise over the years. And the last dividend was they last paid about 4 cents a dividend less on February the 4th, 2026. But before that, they paid about 15 cents, 16 cents, and then about 17 cents previously. Okay, so that's about it. So guys, I hope you like this video. I'm not a financial advisor, nor am I some get-rich-screen guru out here running around here making y'all waste your time. If you want to invest in some of these companies, you can. I'm not forcing you to. Bye-bye. Have a good day.